Albert Einstein is one of the most influential figures in the history of science, whose groundbreaking discoveries transformed our understanding of the universe and laid the foundation for many technologies we rely on today. Born in 1879 in Ulm, Germany, Einstein was not an extraordinary student in his early years. However, his natural curiosity and passion for understanding how the world works drove him to become one of the greatest minds of all time. His contributions to science, particularly in physics, fundamentally altered how we perceive time, space, energy, and gravity. In 1905, often called his miracle year, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers that revolutionized physics. One of these was his special theory of relativity, which introduced the idea that time and space are not absolute, but relative, depending on the observer's speed. This theory challenged centuries of scientific thought and gave us the iconic equation E equals mc squared, which showed that mass and energy are interchangeable. This discovery laid the groundwork for the development of nuclear energy and the atomic bomb, demonstrating that a small amount of mass could be converted into an enormous amount of energy. That same year, Einstein also explained the photoelectric effect, which showed that light behaves both like a wave and a particle. This discovery was critical to the development of quantum mechanics and earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. The photoelectric effect has had far-reaching implications, enabling technologies like solar panels, fiber optics, and lasers, which are now integral to our modern world. Einstein's most profound contribution came in 1915 with his general theory of relativity, which expanded on his earlier work. This theory described gravity not as a force, but as a curvature of space and time caused by massive objects like planets and stars. His prediction that light bends around massive objects was confirmed during a solar eclipse in 1919, instantly making him an international celebrity. General relativity revolutionized our understanding of the universe, laying the foundation for modern cosmology and helping us understand phenomena like black holes, the expansion of the universe, and the Big Bang theory. Even today, technologies such as GPS systems and satellite communications depend on corrections based on Einstein's equations. Einstein's influence extended far beyond theoretical physics. His work has impacted nearly every aspect of modern life. The equation E equals mc squared not only paved the way for nuclear energy, which powers homes, submarines, and ships, but also led to the development of nuclear weapons during World War II. His theories of relativity are essential for space exploration, enabling spacecraft to navigate vast distances and ensuring the accuracy of signals sent across space. The photoelectric effect and his contributions to quantum mechanics laid the groundwork for modern electronics, including semiconductors, transistors, and solar energy. Einstein's legacy also goes beyond science. He was a vocal advocate for peace, especially after witnessing the devastating power of the atomic bomb, which was developed based on his discoveries. He also stood up for civil rights in the United States, speaking out against racism and inequality. Einstein believed that science should be used to benefit humanity and was deeply concerned about its misuse. Without Einstein's contributions, the world as we know it would look vastly different. Many of the technologies that define our modern lives, from GPS and satellite communication to renewable energy and medical imaging, owe their existence to his revolutionary ideas. He not only expanded the boundaries of science, but also reshaped how humanity understands its place in the cosmos. Einstein's genius continues to inspire new generations of scientists, thinkers, and innovators, ensuring that his legacy will endure for centuries to come. What if Albert Einstein's theories had never emerged? How would modern science have progressed? What kind of path would the world have taken without his groundbreaking contributions? If Albert Einstein had never developed his groundbreaking theories, the course of science and technology would have taken a very different direction. His contributions to physics, especially his theories of special and general relativity, laid the foundation for much of modern scientific understanding. Without Einstein, the world would lack some of the essential building blocks of contemporary knowledge. For instance, special relativity introduced the famous equation E equals mc squared, establishing the relationship between mass and energy. This equation became the cornerstone for nuclear physics, enabling the development of nuclear energy and even nuclear weapons. Without Einstein's insight, our understanding of energy conversion and the ability to harness atomic energy might have been delayed by decades, fundamentally altering the timeline of global power generation and warfare. Would nuclear reactors ever have powered cities? Would the world have experienced the nuclear arms race of the mid-20th century? These questions remain unanswered in a world without Einstein. His general theory of relativity, on the other hand, revolutionized our understanding of gravity. Einstein's equations replaced Newtonian mechanics in explaining the curvature of space-time, which gave rise to our ability to predict phenomena such as black holes, gravitational waves, and the bending of light. Without this paradigm shift, astrophysics might still be stuck in an incomplete understanding of the universe. For example, GPS technology, which relies on precise measurements of time affected by relativity, might not exist, leaving modern navigation and communication systems undeveloped. Einstein's influence also extended beyond physics. His ideas inspired generations of scientists to think outside conventional frameworks and pursue bold, innovative concepts. Without his genius, other breakthroughs in quantum mechanics, theoretical physics, and cosmology might have been delayed or lost entirely. Would the Large Hadron Collider have ever been built without the foundation of Einstein's theories? Would we even have the language to describe dark energy, dark matter, or the Big Bang? Culturally, Einstein was not just a scientist, but a symbol of intellectual curiosity and rebellion against traditional thinking. His iconic status inspired people globally to value science and education. Without his influence, perhaps fewer people would have pursued careers in physics, leaving a void in scientific advancement. The absence of Einstein's work could have had significant geopolitical effects as well. The Manhattan Project, which relied on his insights into atomic energy, might not have developed as quickly, possibly preventing or delaying the end of World War II. This delay could have reshaped the power dynamics of the post-war era, changing the trajectory of history itself. In a world without Einstein, humanity would have lacked a key figure who transformed not only our understanding of the universe, but also the technologies that shape our daily lives. The ripple effects would have touched every aspect of society, from energy production and space exploration to communication and international relations. His absence would leave us to wonder, how far behind would we be in unraveling the mysteries of existence? Would we ever have connected the dots, or would humanity still be searching in the dark? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories about history's greatest figures and events.